tomorrow my sister's birthday party, so I make a birthday present. I make a surprise snack box. First, open that box. And next, put it in this one small box. And next, open this small box and put it in this one smallest box. And next, put it this one snack. First, we put this one kalapaki. Kalapaki is everybody know and yummy. And next, we put this marble chocolate. This is a colorful chocolate and but everybody like it, I think. And next, banana choco. Banana choco is a great yummy snack. And next, this surigumi. Surigumi, we get the fishing snack. And next, we put this corn chocolate. My sister is a chocolate is a very so much like it. Next, we put this one cake snack. We put it here. And next, we put this one coffee bean. And next, we put this chocolate. And this one is dog snack. I don't this dog snack, but I don't know. I want them to eat. And next, we put here this one chocolate candy. And next, put inside. First, we put upload. And next, we put this one. And we put this one Mugiko. My mother really likes this one. Next, we put this one pencil chocolate. And we put this one money chocolate and choco baby. Money is so good, everybody like it. We put it here. And we put choco baby. And close it up. And next, put this one big box out. And I tried to open this box. And last, we open this smaller box. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I did it! Bye, kiddo!